Hello class, I'm Jason ma'am and I'm excited about today's lesson. Do you know why? That is because it's exercise time. Once more, let us see what are nouns. In English grammar, names are called nouns. All names are nouns. Nouns are naming words. They are used to name people, places, animals, birds, things, ideas, emotions, etc. Before we start the exercise, let me tell you two important concepts that are related to the exercise we are going to do. Concept number one, compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. Let me say that once again. A compound noun is a noun that is made up of two or more words. Examples: noun, when it is joined with another noun, we get a new word such as seat plus belt is equal to seat belt. We also have other examples such as toy plus train, we have a toy train. School with bag, we have a school bag. Examples number two, adjective and noun. We have younger and brother, we get a younger brother. We also have high plus school, we have a high school. Examples number three, verb plus noun. Here you will find we have examples such as shopping and mall, we have a shopping mall. Washing and machine, we have a washing machine. So in this way, some words are called compound words. The next concept is on noun possession. Nouns that show relation or possession. Examples, Lena's father, which is the father of Lena. We are not talking about Lena here, we are talking about her father. Lena is given with an apostrophe S and then father follows after it. Number two, Dinesh's bag. That means the bag belongs to Dinesh. So I hope these two concepts are clear to you. Let us go to the exercise. The instructions for the exercises are in your exercise copy. Use 2 pages as you have done earlier. Jot down exercise A from page 11. Copy down all the sentences given there. On the opposite page, make 4 columns. Under the headings, people, places, animals and things. Now let us see. The question is, read the sentences and write the nouns in the correct columns. Number 1. My father is a doctor. The nouns there are father and doctor. Both are the names of people, so I have kept it under the column people. Number 2. I love to eat chocolates. So the only noun there is chocolates. I have kept it under thing. Number 3. Geeta is taller than Rekha. Both are names of girls, so I have kept there under people. Number 4. I saw a rainbow yesterday. The only noun here is rainbow. Rainbow is a compound noun. It is an optical phenomenon or something that appears like a bow when sunlight is refracted and reflected by water vapor in the sky. It does not fit any of the column here, so we are going to leave it out. In this sentence, yesterday is an adverb. It tells us when an action happened. I can give you an example of yesterday as a noun, such as yesterday was a sunny day. Number 5. Mr. Gupta is our neighbor. Mr. Gupta is a noun. Neighbor is the name given to the person staying near us. So both of them are on the people. Number 6. Jatin bought 2 pairs of shoes from the shop. We have 3 nouns here. Jatin on the people, shoes on the thing, shop is a place, so place. Number 7. Leela's father planted a mango tree in the garden. So Leela's father will go as a single noun on the people and mango tree will go on the thing. Remember, mango tree. It is also a compound word. Number 8. Agra and Jaipur are famous cities of India. The nouns there are Agra, Jaipur, cities, India, on the place. Number 9. My mother tells me to speak the truth. The nouns there are mother and truth. So mother. Truth is a concept. It's an abstract noun. It is something we can think of but we cannot see and we cannot touch. There is no column for abstract noun, so I will leave it out. Number 10. The magician pulled out a rabbit from the hat. Here the nouns are magician, rabbit and hat. So on the people, I have kept him there. Rabbit is an animal and hat is a thing. Number 11. Suman will go to the shopping mall on Sunday. Suman is a boy on the people. Shopping mall is a compound noun. I have kept it on the place. It is a place where we go and do our shopping. Sunday is also a noun, but there is no column for name of days, so I will leave it out. Number 12. Gaurav's younger brother plays with the toy train. Here we have 2 compound nouns. Gaurav's younger brother. We are talking about Gaurav's brother, not Gaurav. And we are talking about his younger brother, not his elder brother. So we do not know his name. The 3 words there, Gaurav's younger brother, will go as a single compound noun on the people. Toy train is another compound noun. It will come on the thing. Number 13. The tiger is the national animal of India. The nouns there are tiger, animal and India. So I have kept tiger and animal on the animal, India on the place. Remember children, national here is not a noun. It is an adjective. It means of or about a nation. I can give you an example of how the word national can be a noun. I can say, Mr. Tom is a foreign national. It means Mr. Tom is not from the country. Number 14. A dentist treats our teeth. A dentist is a doctor who specializes in treatment of teeth. So we have teeth on the thing. Number 15. Tina went to the circus with her family. Again, Tina went to the circus with her family. We have 3 nouns there. Tina, the name of a girl. Circus is a place. I think you like going to the circus. I do. Family is the name given to the members of the same household. So here we have Tina and family on the people, circus on the place. This is all for today. I hope you will enjoy doing this exercise. Till next class, thank you and take care.